Hey baby, listen here. While I tie my shoe, I'm heading out the door on my way to work, and I ain't got no time for you, you dumb whore. 'Cause all you're doing to me right now is making me look like I'm a fucking cow. Yeah, you're hurting me straight to death, and I can't feel my own legs no more. And I know it sounds kinda rude to you, but maybe, just maybe, I wasn't intended to sing this to you or anyone else for that matter. And maybe this time I might just see you in the shower, 'cause I'm getting ready for work and I'm putting on my shirt. And baby, I see you laying there in nothing but your underwear. And I get this fun feeling that maybe you and me, oh baby, were meant to be. But then again, I think to myself, maybe this time I just need to put it on the shelf. And I'm talking about my love for you, 'cause baby, I just don't know what to do. I can't figure out my own mind, so baby, maybe it's not the time. And I found all this out while I was walking out the door. Baby, I didn't mean to call you a whore, because I think it slipped out that time. Oh, I think it slipped out. Oh, I think it slipped out. That's time. Lyrics for later. Most definitely.